Access to clean and safe drinking water is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. The iSpring RCC7AK 6-stage reverse osmosis system is a well-known water filtration unit designed to provide purified, great-tasting water straight from your tap. With an impressive NSF certification, 6-stage filtration, and a high customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, this system has become a favorite among homeowners looking for an efficient and affordable water purification solution. In this review, we will take an in-depth look at its features, performance, pros and cons, and customer feedback to help you decide if it's the right fit for your home. Key features and benefits. 1. 6-stage alkaline remineralization filtration. Unlike traditional 5-stage RO systems, which can strip away not only contaminants but also beneficial minerals, the iSpring RCC7AK comes with an extra alkaline remineralization AK filter. This 6th-stage restores essential minerals such as calcium and magnesium while balancing the pH levels, ensuring the water doesn't become overly acidic. The result: water that is not just clean but also tastes more natural and refreshing. 2. Removes up to 99% of harmful contaminants. This system effectively eliminates over 1,000 contaminants, including heavy checkmark chlorine, heavy checkmark fluoride, heavy checkmark lead, up to 98%, heavy checkmark arsenic, heavy checkmark PFAS, including PFOA and PFOS, heavy checkmark asbestos, heavy checkmark calcium and sodium. By filtering particles down to 0.0001 microns, it ensures that only pure, clean water makes it to your glass. 3. High-quality construction with transparent housing. One standout feature is the transparent first-stage filter housing, which allows for easy visual inspection. This makes maintenance and filter replacement more convenient, ensuring your system remains in peak condition. The unit also comes with 3 extra-long life pre-filters, protecting the RO membrane from large contaminants while enhancing the filtration process. 4. Easy DIY installation with leak-free fittings. Installing the iSpring RCC7AK is straightforward, thanks to its push-to-connect fittings and detailed instructions. There's no need for complex plumbing modifications. Just push the tubing half an inch deep into the connectors, and you're set. The system fits comfortably under most kitchen sinks, making it a space-efficient solution. 5. Certified by NSF/ANSI 58 for performance and safety. When choosing a water filter, certification is key. The NSF/ANSI 58 certification guarantees that this system has been independently tested for contaminant reduction, ensuring it meets high standards for water quality. 6. 1-year warranty and lifetime customer support. With a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty and lifetime technical support based in the USA, iSpring provides peace of mind for buyers. Performance and user experience. Most users report exceptional performance from the iSpring RCC7AK. The water tastes clean, fresh, and free of unwanted odors, making it an excellent alternative to bottled water. Many customers also appreciate the alkaline remineralization feature, noting a significant improvement in water taste compared to standard RO systems. However, like any product, there are some drawbacks. While the system is generally easy to install, a few users have reported minor leaks if the tubing is not inserted properly. Ensuring a secure connection during installation is crucial to avoid this issue. Customer reviews. What are people saying? With 12,522 global ratings and an average of 4.7 out of 5 stars, the iSpring RCC7AK has overwhelmingly positive feedback. Here's what some recent customers have said. I bought this system because bottled water was becoming expensive. The installation was simple, and the water quality is fantastic. I tested the TDS levels before and after installation. Huge improvement. I've used professional-grade RO systems at work, and this unit is quite impressive for the price. Parts feel solid, and the faucet doesn't feel cheap. I had a small leak initially, but after rechecking the fittings, it worked perfectly. Water tastes way better than my old system. Of course, there are some negative reviews, mostly related to leaks from the faucet or tubing if not installed properly. Water pressure reduction, though this is common with most RO systems. Pros and cons. Pros. Heavy checkmark removes up to 99% of harmful contaminants. Heavy checkmark alkaline remineralization for better tasting water. Heavy checkmark easy DIY installation. Heavy checkmark NSF/ANSI 58 certified. Heavy checkmark lifetime customer support. Cons. Heavy multiplication X minor risk of leaks if not installed properly. Heavy multiplication X may reduce water pressure slightly. Final verdict: is the iSpring RCC7AK worth it? If you're looking for a high-quality, affordable, and efficient reverse osmosis water filtration system, the iSpring RCC7AK is an excellent choice. It not only purifies your water but also restores essential minerals, ensuring you get clean, great tasting, and healthy drinking water. With a strong reputation NSF certification, and thousands of positive reviews, it's clear why this is one of the best-selling undersink RO systems on the market. Current price, $186. Best deal available in the video description. If you're ready to upgrade your home water filtration system, the iSpring RCC7AK is a solid investment that will provide clean, refreshing water for years to come. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and exclusive discounts.